I better start recording.
No! Guys, this keeps on lagging.
The one that I got is really good. If that was a free version,
Chill, Dad, chill.
Sí, pues hay que apurarnos de que se va a ir es otro.
Okay, so we're done.
Si llevas llave es probable que traigas algo porque de lo
But
contrario.
let's go, guys. Let's go. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna do some subway surfing.
Puro pinche hacer berrinche, eres más dramático que nadie, luego te quejas de tus hijos y...
Oh my God.
¿dramático yo?
Uy, cansa
¿Me
esta
estás
vergüenza.
diciendo a mí
Ya,
dramático?
pues, y deja de hacer payasadas porque a mí sí me da vergüenza. Uy.
Jeez, ¿qué es su problema? Technically, we got the magnet. It should last longer, so I could get more coins on my hands, and the longer it lasts, the better. Oh, come on, no! Oh my God, oh my God!
Okay, there. Yeah, you should get the phone I got there. That one works.
I don't care. Jesus,
You don't have for nothing. Nothing at all.
I don't care about your life. It's your damn life. Okay, so I got it. Roll down, roll it. Two multiplier turns. Who hates roleplay? If you hate roleplay, just leave a like or something like that, or you could just comment. That's better. If you can, or if you can't, just leave a like. Oh, share it, even better. Oh! Cheating. Watch, I hate these dumb ads. I used to have that game. I didn't like it, it was boring. Just look what's about to happen. They have a moolah, and then they level that. Oh! A jillion. And then a jillion. They clickbait. Look, I'm gonna do it. I didn't care. I don't care. I don't care. No, let's see. How much is that for? Oh, he could reach up more. Get more. Manager, go. No, I ain't gonna do it. New shaft. Hey. Stop working. I'm not gonna stop until I get 3,000. Well, that's enough. Stop, leave my Skechers alone. Don't you see they're Gucci? Wee! Oh, that was one of my missions? I didn't even know. Oh! Wow, I think I should just stop there. And maybe I recorded some time. I don't care. I died. What? Wait, I got a box? More head starts! Oh my God!
What?
I got one head start and those things are rare as hell!
What?
On this. Oh. Look at this. Doesn't stop showing me the calendar. Stop showing me the calendar. Hold up. Boost upgrades. Nah, shit. Son las 2:07. Okay, so we're gonna use one of my head starts. I've used them, but I haven't used them in a long time. Not the reason I just don't like them. Skechers. What does this do? Oh, whoa! This thing slows you down though, that's one thing. Nothing what I hate. Let's jump. Oh, good. Rubber, get down. Jump. Okay, I nearly hit that. Look, I wish 4th of July coming. I'll try to post a vlog. I'll try. Box. Got it. Gotta get down. I wasn't paying attention. I was too focused on my sister, aka my. Put that if you could find out. If you put AKI.
No, Dad, can you give me my phone, please?
Wait. Ugh. I got bajumbies, Akimi. Like what did you call them? Here.
Jump boost?
Yeah, no, not jump boost, the special shoes.
Oh, bungee jumpers.
Yeah, bungee jumpers. See, I got my little sister helping me name stuff. And I got the big sister. Is she streaming? Hey, you streaming us in it? She ain't streaming.
Starting, like, for my first video, I'm still editing, though.
Oof. I'm right now doing...
Mondays are called
Oh, yeah.
mystery bungees.
Yeah. So, technically today, my little sis...
No, actually, they're called mysterious bungees.
So today, my little sister's not allowed to start a channel yet because she's 7.
I'm going to turn 8.
Yeah, my dad wants her to be 8 so she can start the channel. It's gonna take a long time. So the minute she's 7, she's watching some weird animation that I actually like watching as well. Whoa. 1,000? Okay, guys, we can get Tagbot. Hold up, no, Tagbot weighs up to 12. We just need 2,000 more. Let's try to do this. Okay.
Sorry about the wreck.
Sorry, it just has a volume high. That's a little lower down because that thing's copyrighted.
Oh.
That thing's copyrighted so bad.
Abre la boca, mensa. No lo tires.
What does that mean?
It's copyrighted.
What does that mean?
That means that if I hear it, I'm gonna get consequences on YouTube.
Why?
Because that thing's copyrighted. It shows non-copyright, so that means I can't copy I can't put that audio like anything that's theirs. I don't get it. Why do they not allow that thing? Tactical moron. It doesn't. Oh! No. Duck. Jump.
Vayan a traer suéter porque yo les
turn,
dije que
jump.
agarraran su suéter, ¿eh? Yo traje, eché otro aparte ahí.
Jump. 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 Yo ni tengo frío. Alright guys, translation. I'm not even cold. Because I'm not usually cold on these days in California because they say they're supposed to be hot over here. It said it's been already 1 week that it was hot, and now we're back at very like summer beginning temperatures technically. But anyway, I think that's enough. I'm gonna go stop recording. And thank you for watching, and bye.